Hello and welcome back to a new EasyCUBE Pro tutorial. So in this video we're going to see how to use segments and how to render them inside EasyCUBE Pro. So the first thing you'll do is of course go on the segments option, and as you can see it's divided in three sections. You have categories, codes, and segments. So the first thing you need to do is add a new category. So let's say I need to add damaged frescoes B because this category already exists. And I'm going to go on description and type in whatever description I like, just like so, and I'm going to go on add new. So now that I've added this new category, I'll go on codes, on the code section, and I'm able to select between these here. So I'm going to go on damage frescoes B, the one that I've just created. I'm going to insert a name. So every category has the possibility to have various codes inside it. So I'm going to go wall A. Here I can add yet another description. So these. I can also choose a color from here. Let's say this blue. And if I want to, I can also add pictures. So simply go here. Your image folder, add a picture, and go and apply. So I've added a picture, I've added a color. I'll click add new. So I've added a new code. Now that I have this code, actually I'm able to go on segments, and I'm going to go on set, and I'm going to select the layer on which I'm going to work, which is this wall. As you can see, there are already some segmentations here present. I'm going to go and segment this damaged part here. So now that I said this, I'm going to go and create new. Oh, and by the way, it doesn't matter which thumbnail quality you have on the textures. Whenever you set the layer texture for the segmentation, it will automatically display in high quality, as you can see, because it's easier for you, of course, to create a segmentation. So as I said, I'm going to go and create new. I'm going to select the category, which is this. I'm going to select the code, which is wall A. The description and the picture already shows up, as well as the color. I can add yet another note if I need to, and other images. Let's say you have some zoomed images of this area. If you need to add them, you can go here. Now I'm going to go and apply. So now that I've applied this, you see that the cursor has become a cross, and I'm able to draw. Actually, I'm just going to. Okay, so I've drawn my closed polyline. It asked me if I want to select through, like through the model, in case I would have other walls behind this wall. Of course, they will be segmented as well. Usually you don't want to do this because every segmentation is particular, but in case you need it to go through, you have this possibility. So I'll go no. And the new segmentation has been added, as you may see also here. You have the possibility to show or hide other segments as well. You can isolate them. You can also filter them by category, by code, by node, or even by layer. And finally, you can create a report, which is of course, I'll create a report 1. I'll click OK. Okay, so now it created a report. So I have a report of the various segmentations, actually, with the position on the planner view, and of course with the picture. Now let's go back to EasyCUBE Pro. Other things you can do once you double click on a segmentation, you can apply a new image. So this is the new thumbnail image if you need to. So if I have this zoom here, I can apply it as a new thumbnail. Yes, just like this. I can zoom to the segmentation, and this is okay. So let's go back on the segmentation. As you can see, you have this kind of strange effect because you don't really have a flat color. That's mostly because you have colored faces that are also textures, so you have this strange effect, of course, when moving the model around. In case you need a clear render of this with full flat color in these areas, simply go on render segments, select destination, insert a file name, so render typology of file. I'm going to go on JPEG, and I'm going to click save. So actually, as you can see in the render, you have a really flat color. By the way, this segmentation here is wrong because perhaps when it was done, I've selected select through. I shouldn't have to, but as you can see, you don't have that problem anymore. So we've seen how to use segmentation and how to render segments inside EasyCUBE Pro.